Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. All the Nepalese brothers and sisters are welcome who they are in Nepal and overseas. I hope you all are well. This is midsummer in Nepal nowadays. Today is 20th Shravan and it's raining in Kathmandu since a long time. About 4-5 days it's raining heavily in Kathmandu, and today is a long raining day. It's raining since morning in Kathmandu, uh, and 13th August 2023. I am speaking from Kathmandu, Tokha. Uh, Today I am going to make a video for international communities too. Uh, my topic of video is uh, Bhagawati Pande, who spoke accusing Tamang, Magar, and Muslim communities that they marry in their brothers and sisters, and their children become very criminal that she found in her profession, she said in an interview. Uh, and another is police of Nepal, especially Teku Prahari. Teku Prahari is police of Kathmandu, uh, where there were brutally uh, charged the Tamang, Magar, and Muslim peoples 10 days ago. They were asking to arrest Bhagawati Pande, who accused baseless and disrespected those Tamang, Muslim, and Magar people, saying that they marry in their brothers and sisters. But Teku police did not listen them, and instead of that, Teku police arrested more than 60 demonstrators, 60 more than 60 Tamang, Magar, and other indigenous people uh, who wanted their justice instead of a lawyer Bhagawati Pande. But the Teku police arrested them and took them inside their custody and closed them in toilets, bathrooms, and and outside from the room. And Teku police charged very brutally to those women, uh, which were not legal. When any people are arrested by police or some authority, they cannot charge them, they cannot make them harm. But in 17th Shravan, the Teku police charged those demonstrators, those Tamang, Magar, and other arrested peoples very brutally. They hitted them every parts of the body, especially women. 4-5 women are brutally charged with their stick, their gun, their boots in their sensual parts, in their in their sensitive parts, especially in their sensitive parts like their chest, their you know hidden parts. It was like a you know sexual harassment. The women who charged brutally, also they have said that some police personals, they tried to make them very very charged. They wanted to make them very uh, like a it is, we cannot say this, we cannot talk these things. It was very injustice the Teku police made there. It was really illegal. It 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 was very inhuman. When they arrested the peoples, they could not make that kind of charge. After making a arrest arresting bills against Bhagawati Pande, the Teku police, Kathmandu police, did not arrest her. Then Tamang, Magar, and other indigenous people went to Teku police and made a demonstration for an hour. Then there were Bhagawati Pande at the same time. And the demonstrators, Tamang, Magar, and Muslim and other indigenous people, they they tried to finish the program, finish the demonstration, and they were left the Teku police. But there were some disputes between demonstrators and police before, and there were some disputes, and police and some demonstrators were charged each other on the gate of Teku police. Maybe because of that, Teku police thought they made ego against those demonstrators, and they brought one truck of Danga police. It's like a commando, very strong policies they brought, and the demonstrators who they were already left that place and they were going to their home. But those commando, those Danga police arrested those some selected demonstrators, selected Magar, Tamang, and other indigenous peoples. Even one media person, she was also arrested. She said she is from media, but she was arrested and brutally charged inside police custody. They made their very very inhuman behavior against them. This is one of the most black day for those indigenous people after democracy in Nepal. There were bad domination in Rana and Shaha period in Nepal against the indigenous people like Tamang, Magar, Gurung, Rai, Limbu, Dalits, Madesi Muslims, and women and females. But after the democracy, it happened about more than 70 years, there were some progressive behavior among them, among those indigenous people. But this 17th Shravan 2080 Bikram Sambat became the black day of those indigenous people of those Tamang, Magar, and Muslims and other indigenous people, that this government, this it is called most progressive government, because Prachanda is prime minister and his another leader is home minister in Nepal government nowadays. They were called revolutionary forces. They are Maoist. They fought with the state, with the nation for 10 years to release those indigenous people from disputes, from domination. But this day became very black day, where the Prachanda is prime minister in Nepal. He is, he is called one of the most revolutionary leader, and the Naran Kajashrest is home minister. Why this discrimination upon the those Tamang, Magar, and Muslims and other indigenous people in this democratic republic in these days? We have thrown king from Nepal. Why this discrimination from the state, from the nation, from the police? We want arrest those criminals. This guy, this lady called lawyer Bhagawati Pande, and she has to be in jail. She has made disharmony in our harmonious society. We respect our and other religion, each other. We respect our society, our custom, our culture, our religion, and other society, other custom, other culture, and other religion, each other in Nepal since long time, since ancient times. But why this lawyer Bhagawati Pandey want to make us quarrel? Why she wanted this? And why the Teku police, the Kathmandu police wanted to dominate us instead of giving us justice? Why Teku police, Kathmandu police brutally charged us, our people, our sisters, our brothers? This is inhuman. This is against human rights. They have to be charged. They have to be punished. They have to be punished. They have to be legally punished. Why this Kathmandu justice, Kathmandu court did not give us justice? Why Kathmandu court released Bhagawati Pande within a day without any prosecution? What did the Kathmandu court made the justice on us? This is very crucial time in Nepal. All of the Nepalese, who they are all over the world, and the other uh, people all over the world, international communities, we like to inform all the aware people, all the civilized people in Nepal, in the international communities, to make them, to make pressure those kinds of police and those this kind of government and this kind of court in Nepal. We need our rights, our human rights, our legal rights, our constitutional rights, our fundamental rights. We want. We are dominating since 250 years ago up to now. This is very sincere case, very serious case. We want justice. We want our full rights. We do not bear this kind of domination, this kind of discrimination. We have our civilization, own religion, own culture, own customs, and also we respect culture of others, religion, and system of others. But every community, every people, they have to respect our culture, our customs, our religion, and our community. Otherwise, we do not bear those kind of behavior, brutal behavior, domination upon us. Please, Prime Minister, please, Home Minister, please, Chief of Police, be sincere about our rights. This is 21st century. This is not slave days. This is not slave age. Slave age. This is not jungle age. All we have to be serious each other. Otherwise, this harmonious society will be very, very bad condition. Disharmony will come soon. Tamang, Magar, and Muslims and other indigenous people, other dominated people, Dalits, Brahmins, Kshetri, many more communities. They are dominated, they are poor, they are illiterate, they are jobless. But some of some peoples, very few people, they are ruling us. Brutally, they are dominating us. They are dominating us. They are not following constitutional system. They are not following legal system. They are not following our social harmony, culture, religion, and